Hey guys, this is Old School Custom Rides, Raj here. Well, it's been a while since I've done a video. Guess I've been a little too busy, but I'm back. So either way, we're gonna do a little bit more work on the Wicked 55 because the Wicked 55 is almost coming out. I finally got the tires and I finally got the rear tires on there. So you guys can check it out. The front ones are on there, brand new. The back ones. So I decided to go with a 275/60. I think it looks a whole lot better. So I did that. And I also got all the wiring that I did, with the, I guess it's a plastic wiring cover, I guess. I don't know what you want to call these things, but I got it all fixed up. Like I said, this car is almost ready to come out. Damn, I almost fell down. And you can see in here too, I got all this fixed. Yeah, the wires over here is on this side, but it's not gonna be a bother. But I got all that fixed up. This car's ready to go. But as you can see, I got no shifter knob. So we're gonna go ahead and make one. Yeah, I have some steel left over from my roadster, which is the steering shaft. So what I'm planning to do, as you can see, I'm gonna make me a shifter knob. Well, not a knob, but so I found me the bolt. I'm gonna go ahead and get that welded on there, tack it, and hopefully it works. I'm crossing my fingers. So we're gonna go ahead and get that done right now. Just gotta get that this cut. I'm going to bring the camera over here, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and get that cut, and we'll go ahead and get it welded on here, and then we'll try it on there on the for shifting knob. Hey man, I'll do whatever I can, man. So if I can make it, have the steel, I'll make it. Saves me money. I mean, I did buy this, but I'm gonna use it. The only thing when I weld it, it might turn a little bit blue though, but that's okay. It'll be underneath. Not maybe later on in the future I'll just sand it down and just, I don't know, paint it black, but hopefully not. Hopefully I don't have to do that. We'll go ahead and get my goggles. And we'll get cutting. And do a little bit of welding. Yeah, I'm excited, man, with the 55, man. I'm finally gonna get this car out, man. It's been a long time. Like I said, got the tires. The battery is on there is pretty good. I think I had a wire that was disconnected. So I put it back on yesterday, I charged it up and the car fired up. But I still need to do a little bit of timing because when I turn it on, it throws a little backfire. So timing's off. Just a tad, but that's no biggie. I can get that fixed. And I also got the oil. Do the oil change, check the transmission, check the brakes, all that little stuff, and this car should be ready, man. And take it around the block. I'll try to get it as square as I can. So be like this. Go ahead and get this nut, weld it on there, and then we'll be able to, oops, we'll go ahead and try it, see if it works. Hopefully it does. I already tested out the nut, so it should work. Then we'll go ahead and put that right there like that. Go ahead and clamp that, and then we'll go ahead and get it welded. I think it looked pretty cool. Woo, hot. I don't know if I should just that over there, and we're gonna go ahead and place it here, do the welding. Oops. I'm guessing I'm gonna tighten up this stuff first. Yeah. Put it right there. I hope I get it right on the money. I don't want to be off. I'm guessing I'm gonna get me a clamp. Another one. That way it won't move. Hope it's big enough. There you go. Okay. I hope I got it right. It's a little too far this way. Okay. You see what I'm doing right there? We're gonna go and check it there, and then hopefully it stays on there good. And then maybe just weld it under here too, there, and then clean it up. So, crossing my fingers, hopefully it works. I guess we could get this put back up here. And you guys can see me better because this area is lowered, so get the water. Guess we'll bring it more this way. Yeah, I figured this will save me some money instead of buying a shifter knobs. These shifter knobs are not cheap anymore, man. They're freaking expensive now. Especially those, what's it called? American shifters or something like that. I mean, they do custom shifter knobs. But I figure I'll try this, see if it works. If it works, then, well, we save money. I guess I'm about to move my mic. I gotta take my hat off. Yes, and I forgot my wire brush and my hammer. I always do. So go ahead and get this welded, and hopefully we don't have to grind it. But if we do, then if it doesn't stick, then we'll probably have to grind it. Didn't like that weld. I have to freaking grind it. I'm guessing the bolt is on there already. I'm lucky to get it on this. I think I'm about to flip. That's not gonna work. Wrong one. We'll clean this up a little bit, and then we have to weld a little bit more, then we'll weld some more. And we'll go ahead and clean it up. Go ahead and tie this up here. Hot, 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 hot. Real hot. Damn. Over here. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up the welds a little bit, just to make it look nice and pretty. Like I said, I've already explained that my welds ain't that great, but you gotta learn somehow. It's like this: when you fix a car, it's not gonna fix itself unless you don't try to fix it. That's why I keep replacing my goggles, or misplacing them. That's the correct word terms. I don't know, a while ago here, and then all of a sudden, I don't know what the hell I did. Oh well, gotta be here somewhere. I feel comfortable not having my goggles on. Because you never know. What the hell did I do with them? I dropped anything. Unbelievable. So I just had them a while ago and then freaking misplaced everything around here. They were just here a while. Look there. Okay, now let's get to work. You want to flip it to the other side. But we got it smoothed out, guys. That's what I said. Wells aren't that great, but it's on there. So I'll go meet you over there in a second.
A few moments later.
Okay, guys, I'm back. You can barely see the shifter right there. So I hope that you guys can see what I'm doing, but not, after I'm done, I can go to show you what it looks afterwards. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of DW40 on there, so maybe it'll be a lot easier for it to turn. I already tested out the bolt, so we'll see. We'll go ahead and do that right now. Yeah, you probably won't be able to see me that well. But this homemade knob is still hot. Real hot. Like, no joke. Maybe I should have just thrown it on water. So we'll go ahead and try to get it in there. Oh, hey, it's hot. Real hot. Man, this thing's heavy too. Oh, keep dropping it. It's just too damn hot. There it goes. Man, that thing's hot. Real hot. Oh, okay, that's as far as it goes. So we might have to throw something in there to keep it from going all the way down. But it works. So what I'll do, maybe I'll throw a piece of, I don't know. I'll throw a piece of tape or something in there. Yeah, throw a piece of tape in there and hopefully it only goes so far. Yep, it worked. Yep. Oh yeah. Cool. That looks way better. Hell yeah. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. You can see it from there. Came out good. I like it. There it is, guys. Home steel. Look. I like it. Cause I'm gonna be honest with you. Where is it? It had a skull shifter in here, and I wasn't having it. This looks way better. Oh yeah, I love it. Thumbs up. So that's pretty much what we have for today, guys. Like I said, all we gotta do is the oil change on this car, and little stuff here and there. Do check the timing, and hopefully the battery stays working good. Probably not. Get a new battery, but check the brakes and all that. This car's ready to go. There you go. 55 is out. Either way, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and thanks for the new subscribers for Old School Custom Rides. I appreciate all of you. And if you haven't subscribed to Old School Custom, go ahead and subscribe to Old School Custom for more videos to come. And we still got that roadster back there working. Chevy 2 is ready to come out too, but we're getting there. Sooner or later, we'll be driving these street rides. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the day, and I'll see you soon. Take it easy. Take care. Laters.